In this guide, you'll learn how to use Basecamp for project management and how its core tools help teams stay organized, productive, and connected. Basecamp brings everything into one place, allowing you to manage tasks, share updates, store files, communicate with teammates, and track deadlines without confusion or clutter. Let's explore each feature and understand how it contributes to smoother project collaboration. One of the most important tools inside Basecamp is the to-do list. Think of it as your digital task organizer. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, add due dates, and keep track of progress as work moves forward. Each task can include notes that give extra context or instructions, helping everyone understand exactly what needs to be done. Including small details in the notes can prevent misunderstandings and save valuable time. To-do lists keep projects moving smoothly by ensuring responsibilities are clearly defined and visible to the entire team. Next is the message board, your central space for communication. Instead of long email threads or scattered messages, Basecamp brings all announcements, updates, and discussions into a single organized area. This makes it easy for team members to stay informed without searching through inboxes or multiple chat channels. Posting updates here ensures that important information is visible to everyone and archived for future reference. Encourage your team to check the message board regularly so that no update gets overlooked. Another essential Basecamp tool is the schedule, which provides a clear calendar view of important dates. Whether you're planning deadlines, milestones, meetings, or project phases, the schedule keeps everything visually organized. Seeing your timeline laid out makes it easier to plan workloads, anticipate busy periods, and avoid last-minute rushes. Teams often find the schedule helpful for coordinating responsibilities across departments and ensuring everyone stays aligned throughout the project. The Docs and Files section helps you keep all project materials in a single organized location. You can upload files directly or link cloud documents from services like Google Drive or Dropbox. This ensures everyone has access to the correct and most updated files without having to search through multiple platforms. Creating a consistent naming system and folder structure will make it even easier for team members to quickly find what they need, especially when working with larger projects or design files. Campfire, Basecamp's built-in chat tool, supports fast and informal communication. It's designed for short conversations, quick questions, brainstorming, and instant feedback. Instead of waiting for email replies or scheduling meetings for small discussions, Campfire lets your team interact instantly, keeping momentum strong. This type of real-time dialogue strengthens collaboration and reduces delays, especially during time-sensitive tasks. Each of these tools works together to make Basecamp an all-in-one project management solution. When used effectively, they create a structured, efficient, and collaborative environment where your team can stay focused and organized. Basecamp reduces complexity, improves communication, and helps teams complete projects with more confidence and less confusion. With these features, you're now ready to manage your projects more efficiently and help your team stay coordinated from start to finish. If you want this expanded, shortened, or rewritten for a different style, just let me know.